Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about how to grow grapes and harvest the most expensive grape clusters in Japan. Let's dive into the video. Grape farming is a labor-intensive process that requires meticulous attention to detail, especially when it comes to preparing the vineyard for the new season. At the onset of each new farming cycle, workers take on the critical task of cleaning up the remnants of the previous harvest. The cleaning process is mostly done manually, with workers carefully washing and dusting off the grape beans. This essential step ensures that the farm is in optimal condition for the upcoming growing season. Once the grape beans are thoroughly cleaned, workers spray them with pesticides to protect the vines from pests and diseases. This early intervention is crucial to safeguarding the health of the plants as they begin to regrow. The dedication and hard work of the farm workers become particularly evident during this period as they meticulously care for each grapevine, ensuring that every branch is properly nurtured. As the grapevine begins to grow again, grape flowers start to appear on the branches, and farmers carefully remove a certain number of them. This process helps concentrate nutrients on the remaining clusters, allowing the grapes to grow larger and sweeter. It requires precision and experience, as removing the right number of flowers ensures the perfect balance between quantity and quality of the grapes later on. Before diving deeper into the farming process, we'd like to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you're passionate about farm and technology-related videos. To ensure that grape clusters develop evenly, producing large, beautiful, and high-quality grapes, farmers perform an essential step when the fruit begins to form. Only the roundest and healthiest grapes are left. This process not only ensures even development, but also enhances the overall quality of the entire cluster, resulting in grapes that meet the highest standards. Sunlight is particularly important for grape beans. To produce a bountiful harvest, grapevines require adequate exposure to sunlight. The more sun they receive, the more abundant and sweeter the grapes will be. While grape pea vines can grow in partial shade, they need at least 7 hours of direct sunlight per day to produce high-quality fruit. When planting grapevines on a trellis, it's best to position them facing southward if possible to maximize sun exposure. Soil conditions also play a significant role in grape farming. Grapevines thrive in well-drained soil. Constantly soggy or wet soil can lead to root problems, so it's important to ensure that the soil is moist but well-drained. By following these guidelines, you can create an optimal environment for grape beans to grow and produce a healthy, abundant crop. Once the grapes have grown and reached the desired size, they are packed to avoid contamination from germs and bacteria. Workers pack each bunch of grapes with paper or plastic to protect their quality. As the grapes naturally ripen, turning red or black, they are carefully picked from the branches and placed in trays for further processing. These trays are then transported to the market, where the grapes are sold to consumers. To ensure the highest quality, workers roam the entire vineyard, selecting only the freshest and most fully ripened bunches of grapes. If you're interested in grape harvesting, continue your journey to California, a place renowned for its vast, sprawling grape farms. One of the most remarkable advancements in grape farming technology is the grape harvesting machine, a giant truck designed to automate the harvesting process. This sophisticated piece of machinery has revolutionized the way grapes are harvested, making the process much more efficient and less labor-intensive. The truck is equipped with a vacuum system located between the tires, which is designed to hold the grape plants securely while the machine plucks the bunches of grapes. This automated process not only saves time but also reduces the physical strain on workers who would otherwise have to manually pick the grapes. The truck's adjustable tires provide great flexibility, allowing it to navigate the often non-straight lines of grapevines with ease. But grapes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. A single cup of grapes contains over 121 grams of water, making them an excellent source of hydration. They are also high in antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. The skins of red grapes contain a phytochemical called resveratrol, which has been shown to protect against several chronic diseases and conditions. Additionally, grapes contain flavonoids like myricetin and quercetin, which contribute to their health benefits. Returning to the topic of the grape harvesting machine, it's worth noting that this truck is designed to handle every aspect of the harvesting process. From plucking the grapes to cleaning and storing them, the machine is capable of performing these tasks efficiently and effectively. After the grapes are harvested, they are loaded onto the truck, which then transports them to the designated location for unloading. In conclusion, grape farming is a complex and rewarding endeavor that requires careful planning, hard work, and the right technology. Whether you're a backyard gardener or a professional farmer, understanding the intricacies of grape cultivation can help you achieve a successful and bountiful harvest. With advancements in technology like the grape harvesting machine, the future of grape farming looks promising, offering new opportunities for efficiency and productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of farming and agricultural technology. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. And as always, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments below.